Hello friends, welcome to my lecture on pneumatic time delay circuits. In this problem, I'll be discussing three cylinder problem, namely A, B and C, in which the sequence is as given or as shown: A plus B plus C plus, then A minus B minus, and then delay C minus. So the requirements of components are like as shown. I have chosen three cylinders, okay, A, B and C namely, and I have also given the sensor positions S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6 using distance rules. And then these are the 5 by 2 direction control valves which are pneumatically actuated for each cylinder 1, 2 and 3. And then we'll need these roller switches for actuation of cylinder, so namely S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5, S6. So those I have taken 6 switches. And then we will need pneumatic time delay valve, which is actually combination of this throttle valve, accumulator and one 3 by 2 valve. So this combination is called as pneumatic time delay valve, and this is the button or the switch for starting the circuit. Okay, now we are ready with the circuit, and we'll just see how the sequence works. First is A plus. For A plus to happen, what is the condition? C minus must have happened. So when C minus takes place, S6 is true, S5 is true. So when S5 is true, you'll get A plus, correct? This is S5. And when A plus takes place, S2 gets true or S2 gets hit. And when S2 gets hit, you get B plus. So this is S2. When S2 is true, you get B plus, okay? When B plus takes place, S4 is hit. Okay, when S4 is hit, you'll get C plus. So when S4 is true, you will get C plus, right, through this valve. And then after C plus, you have to get A minus. So what is the condition? After C plus, S6 is hit. So when S6 is hit, you have A minus through this valve. Okay. And then after that, B minus. When A minus takes place, S1 is true. When S1 is true, you get B minus. Okay. After this, there is a delay, some delay of few seconds, and then C minus takes place. So after B minus, what is happening? S3 is getting hit. So when S3 is hit, you have C minus, but that C minus is through this time delay valve. So this particular combination is known as time delay valve. So after S3 is true, you get uh, C minus. Okay, now let us see if it works, if this circuit works. So try to simulate this. Press this starting button. So you have A plus, B plus, C plus, A minus, B minus, and there is a delay which you can see in this accumulator. After say 20 seconds, it is going back. So this is uh, pneumatic time delay. Uh, Now let us just try to understand how this pneumatic time delay circuit works. Okay, in this, the time delay valve is used to delay the output signal. Time delay valve is actuated by a pneumatic signal through reservoir or an accumulator after a preset time delay has elapsed. Okay, the valve is returned to the normal position via return spring after the signal is terminated. Hmm? So what happens actually, uh, when S3 is hit, the air is going through this throttle valve and it gets filled in this accumulator. Okay, and after preset value of pressure here, the air returns from this and goes to this valve, and this valve opens. Okay, and it goes to the 5 by 2 DCV valve for C minus. And after this gets emptied, there is return action due to spring. So this comes back to the normal position. Generally, pneumatic time delay valve is made up of 3 by 2 DC valve, an accumulator or reservoir. Okay, and a throttle relief valve as shown. This is the combination of uh, uh, pneumatic time delay valve, right? So the time delay function occurs due to controlled airflow rate from an accumulator facilitated by throttle valve. A circuit in which The output signal is delayed by a specified time with respect to input signal is called as delay circuit. Sequencing circuits such as clamp and then machining operation employ such delay circuits. The delay ranges between 0 to 300 seconds for both normally closed and normally open valves. By using additional reservoirs, the delay time can be extended. So this is how the pneumatic time delay valve functions. I hope you have understood and you can design and develop similar circuits using one cylinder, two cylinder as well as three cylinders using different sequences. Thank you.